Thanks for dropping in. I have a smaller project to share this week. A much smaller project. This itty bitty fidget was inspired by a recent design competition on Printables.com. The challenge was to create a useful design with fewer than 5 meters of filament. While one could debate the usefulness of this fidget, it unquestionably meets the filament limit. Each fidget uses just 1.5 meters, so you could print 3 and still have filament left over. The design comes in 3 variations. The first, and honestly my favorite option, uses 3 6x3 magnets. It provides the strongest click, and in my opinion, feels the most satisfying. The next option uses smaller 3x3mm magnets. A nice feature with this variant is you can add one more magnet to the center. That creates a half step. Or if you prefer, you can intentionally install that middle magnet upside down. This would make it require more force when sliding between positions, and make the click a little bit louder. And finally, because not everyone is as obsessed with magnets as I am, here's a non-magnet version. This option relies on the case flexing slightly to let the slider click between positions. Regardless of which option you choose, all versions can be printed without supports or brims. If your printer is sufficiently tuned, they don't even need glue. The magnets are a snug fit, and the case is held together with tiny snaps. Let's assemble another copy. If you're using a magnet version, the first step is to add all the magnets into the bottom case and button. There should be enough flex in your prints to press fit the magnets in without breaking anything. If printing issues, like over extrusion, cause the hole to be printed just a little bit too small, use a drill bit to widen it up slightly. While adding the magnets, make sure they're aligned in the correct direction. The button and the bottom case should be pulled toward each other. Once the magnets are in, set the button onto the bottom case and snap the top case around it. I found it easiest to snap one side of the case on first and then follow up with the other side. It is a tight fit, but once those are together, they'll stay on really securely. And now it's done. These mini fidgets happen to be the perfect size to fit inside the treasure chest puzzle box. Not a bad prize for solving that tricky puzzle. Well, this small fidget resulted in an equally small video. So let's throw in a bonus design that I recently released, but never got around to sharing a video for. A little while ago, Benoric on Printables made a very nice remix of my Snappy fidget button. Their remix rounded out the case and buttons. It really is an excellent improvement on the original design. Then another Printables user, SPS, printed dozens of these rounded caps and requested more frame designs to put them to use. So I made a remix to the remix of my original design, and the result was this 7-button Honeycomb fidget. This uses the same upgraded snap-on springs as my other Snappy fidget buttons. No glue needed. I use this print as an excuse to raid my sparkly Proto-pasta collection. Here you can see the buttons in Glitterflake Stardust, Cloverleaf Metallic Green, Electric Lemonade Metallic Yellow, Tangerine Orange Metallic Gold, Still Colorful Recycled PLA 008, which is the red, Galactic Empire Metallic Purple, and of course, 3D Printing Nerd's Highfive Metallic Blue. Not to be totally outdone, the frame is using Sparkle Black PLA by Hatchbox. This fidget has so many buttons, it can work as a color swatch, so I'll probably print a few more, using a different filament brand for each color set. If you decide to print either of these designs, I'd love to see the result. So until next time, happy printing, happy clicking, and thanks for stopping by.